Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best pellet grills on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Traeger Ironwood 885 Wood Pellet Grill. The Traeger Ironwood 885 stands out as one of Traeger's popular models, featuring a substantial cooking surface of 885 square inches and an oversized top grate. The porcelain-coated grates enhance cleanup and maintenance, while the grill boasts updated features such as an improved control panel, super smoke, and keep warm settings. Additionally, it includes a sensor for low pellet indication, a hopper door for convenient pellet change, and a robust side shelf with tool holders. Equipped with a meat probe and Traeger app compatibility for remote monitoring, the grill produces super juicy and tender chicken with crispy skin and perfectly cooked steaks. Its 20-pound hopper capacity and downward exhaust system contribute to its user-friendly design and appeal to both beginners and seasoned grillers. Number 2. Traeger Ranger Portable Wood Pellet Grill. The Traeger Grill's Ranger is a versatile and portable pellet grill, ideal for both home and on-the-go use. Despite its compact size and weight, it maintains Traeger's reputation for quality grilling. With a small cooking area of 186 square inches, it accommodates a rack of ribs that turns out tender and smoky. The 8-pound hopper provides sufficient pellet capacity for extended use. Featuring porcelain-coated grates for easy cleaning, an integrated meat probe for precise temperature monitoring, and a keep warm mode, the Ranger offers convenient functionality. Its user-friendly control panel enhances the overall experience, making it a suitable choice for those seeking a compact yet efficient pellet grill. Number 3. Weber Smokefire X4 2nd Generation. Weber Smokefire X4 2nd Gen stands out as a top-quality pellet grill, aligning with the brand's reputation for excellence. Crafted with Weber's signature polished construction and flavorizer bars designed to enhance moisture, this grill offers a temperature range of 200°F to 600°F. During testing, it displayed the ability to create distinct care marks on steak, a feature not commonly found in pellet grills. The Smokefire X4 2nd Gen cooks food slightly faster than other brands, delivering ribs with a familiar caramelized, fall-off-the-bone texture. A notable feature is the built-in Weber Connect technology, accessible from the grill or the app. This technology enables users to monitor and control the grill's ambient temperature, along with the internal temperature of foods. Number 4. Camp Chef Woodwind Wi-Fi 24 Pellet Grill. Camp Chef's Woodwind Pellet Grill addresses a common concern with pellet grills by providing the ability to sear food effectively. Functioning as a typical pellet grill that can reach temperatures up to 500°F, the Woodwind model stands out with a unique feature: a design that exposes the fire pot, allowing users to achieve distinct sear marks on their food. During testing, the Woodwind demonstrated an impressive ability to retain moisture in food, delivering juicy results. The grill's reverse searing capability adds versatility, enabling users to finish off steaks over the direct flame for an optimal sear. Notably, the ash removal system simplifies the cleaning process, with ash deposited into an easily removable cup under the smoke box. Number 5. Pit Boss Classic 700. Designed with beginners in mind, this pellet grill offers an excellent balance of affordability, construction quality, and capabilities. Its user-friendly design includes a dial temperature control and a clear display for easy operation. The grill's notable feature is the flame broiler, which can be slid to expose, enabling users to grill over direct flame, in addition to the standard pellet grill functions of smoking, grilling, and barbecuing. The appliance's versatility extends to baking, braising, roasting, and searing. Boasting a 21-pound hopper capacity and a cooking area of 700 square inches, including a second tire rack, the grill claims to accommodate over 30 burgers simultaneously. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.